Alright, let's go. Alright, so the first package that we got here is for the bars. It's the protector. Let's see what it looks like. Pretty cool. The plastic looks a little flimsy, but I guess let's see what the decal looks like. Alright, yeah. I think it's pretty cool. Doesn't look too bad. Check out the foam now. It's pretty sturdy. It'll work, not bad for $10. Pretty awesome. I think it's gonna look good on the bike. Then let's see what else we got here. Open it. Cool. Let's see what this is. Oh, look at what we got here already. We got the head gasket kit. I guess we can go ahead and do that. That's our project for today. We had one of these gaskets blow out. I'm not sure which one, but we'll figure out soon. So here that is. See what else we got here. Oh, nice. Yeah, these finally came, man. Cool for the Suzuki. I think those will match up very well. Pro taper. Nice. Yellow with white, which are pretty cool. Standard color for the Suzuki. Nice.